Well, hello, I'm Dr. Michael Carpenter from Dental Excellence of Napoleon, and today we are going to talk about something actually very special to me because I've been working in this area a long time, but it is dental anxiety and then the solutions we have for people with a fear of the dentist. Probably the biggest thing you need to know is you are not alone in this area, because millions and millions of people have dental anxiety, and it can show up in various forms, and a lot of those come from very bad dental experiences in the past. And one of my goals, and the goals of my doctors and my practice and my whole team, is to actually reverse your mind on those things and give you a new experience that will completely change the way you think about dentistry. And we have many patients over the years that they started with us with a high anxiety. They no longer have any anxiety when they get work done. They don't need to be sedated, etc. So that can be you as well. And then another one actually is time. So a lot of professionals, especially, or truck drivers or whatever, somebody that does not have a regular schedule or has a time crunch. The great thing about sedation is we can come in and do everything in just a visit or two. So it really is convenient for them not to have to take many days to get their dentistry done. So that's another option besides those with great fear. Let's get into a few of these options. One is for the very mild anxiety, people that are actually afraid of injections. This is a good thing. Laughing gas, otherwise known as nitrous oxide. One of the other benefits of nitrous oxide, you don't have to have a driver. We give it to you in the office, we take it away, you're totally fine. So that's for your more mild anxiety, a little bit of needle phobia. That's a good solution. Next, we move into an oral sedation, which is that does require a driver. You come in, we give you a pill, you're going to sleep most of the time. The next day, you're not going to remember anything. Again, that falls under the category also of a lot of less discomfort as a result of not having that stress about the procedure. What we do commonly for people with a little higher fear is IV sedation. So IV sedation is wonderful because it's quick. We can get people sedated really quickly. And then the next day, and we can actually control the depth of sedation. So if you don't need to be quite as deep, or I need you to sit up and bite or talk or something, we can do that. Or I can completely have you so you aren't aware of anything. So it's really it gives me a lot of flexibility with the sedation. And the next day, again, you're not going to remember anything. There's going to be very little post-op discomfort. And finally, we actually do general anesthesia in our office, and primarily we do this for little children that can't have dentistry done. Because they won't sit still, etc. But we also do it for adults. So there are a few cases where somebody just needs to be completely put out, and that's what we do. And we do it right in our office, and I do the dentistry or the other doctors. So many options. And so what I want you to do is give us a call. We actually do free consultations for those people with fear, because one of the things you need to be is comfortable with the people treating you. You need to know that they are going to treat, first of all, they understand from the time you call us to the time you're done with your treatment. Throughout the whole process, we understand that you actually have a ton of fear. And remember, our goal is to change completely your experience so that you don't have dental fear anymore. So to schedule the free consultation, just give us a call or go to our website at happy-dentistry.com and follow the link to the sedation page.